Hi, it's Seta here, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to uninstall Unity. So let's get started. Okay, so first we must open the Unity hub and then go to Install, select your version of Unity, click on this icon and select Uninstall. Okay, now let's get serious. Even though I was planning to release a regular tutorial today, due to what Unity did last week, I will decide to make a short video about what I think about all of this. Most of you probably heard about Unity controversial idea regarding license fees for use of their engine. And if you spent the last week somewhere deep in the mountains, it seems like practically every possible game development channel on YouTube has covered this topic. So I won't do the same because you can't easily find information about it. Personally, in one hand, I understand Unity, because if we compare their all license fees for using Unity to, for example, the 5% that Unreal charge after reaching the surrender revenue threshold, Unity was losing quite a bit of money in this area. And let's not kid ourselves, every company wants to make money. However, their new fee system based on the number of installation is entirely unacceptable. And I'm sure most of you agree with me that something like this should never happen. Already, a significant number of game developers are withdrawing or planning to withdraw from using Unity if the new fee system isn't changed. And perhaps some of you have already uninstalled Unity in protest and start looking for some alternatives. However, I believe that we should all wait until the dust settles and see how it turns out. A few hours ago, Unity posted on their Twitter profile, X profile, that they are working on changing their policies. How true that is and how it will turn out, we will see. As for the discussion regarding the loss of trust in Unity, I wonder how one can have trust to any companies that is profit-oriented. Do you really think that if Unity were to fall, Unreal, which would practically be a monopoly, would have any objections to imposing additional license fee in the future? I don't think so, because it is also a profit-oriented company. So don't blame the Unity engine, blame the CEO and the rest of the people in charge of Unity who allowed something like this to happen. At this moment, it might have sound one-sided, because I really like the Unity engine and it would be really hard for me to fully switch to Unreal and waste all the time I have invested in learning Unity just because the people running the company are out of touch with reality. So if you're wondering what next for the channel that was based on Unity, not much will change for now. I don't plan to abandon this engine, and the materials on the channel will still be focused on Unity. However, if Unity doesn't change anything and some of you move to the Unreal, I think that video created in Unreal will eventually appear in the channel as well. Environment and level design have the advantage of being independent of the game engine, and since the channel is creating for you, I still want to run it in that way that everyone's find here something for themselves, starting from inspiration and ending with tutorials. So let me know in the comments, what are you planning? Did you have already installed Unity and switching to another engine? And what you think about this whole situation? I will be grateful for every comment. I wish you all more calm. And until next time, see ya.